Welcome to the Hess section of the March 2015 Wine Notes. As in previous months, Hess continues to offer exciting cyber deals, and in the month of March we do that again with a sort of a white sale in preparation for spring. We've got Hess Select Sauvignon Blanc, which is doing very well here in New Jersey, Amelia White, and Colomé Tarantes, and the Colomé Tarantes is also doing very well. These are all one-case deals, and they're designed to help aid distribution. Along with that, we've got a display enhancer focused in on these cyber deals, which is a Nest Protect smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. The point of booking this display enhancer is to drive the goods to the floor and ensure speedy sell-through and hopefully a reorder. As a reminder, the Hess Select Vintage Closeout program technically has ended, and we're sold out of the Chardonnay. But we still have a good amount of the Cabernet available, and I would encourage you to sell it and help sell it through. The wine is in fine shape. However, once it sells through, that will be the end of the program. Hess Select is the primary volume driver for the Hess portfolio, and in the month of February, we had explosive sales. It was a terrific month for us on Hess Select. We have a lot of display materials from Hess, which is installed via Raritan merchandising. So book your displays through Raritan. In March, we continue to have the top rip on Hess Select Chardonnay of $880 on 20 cases. That's worth 33% in rip profit dollars. And we have the rip of $900 on 15, which is anchored by the Hess Select Cabernet, but also now assorts with Trio and Pinot Noir. On the Cabernet, that rip is worth 31% in rip profit dollars. We still are selling the Hess Select 2012 Pinot Noir, which got 93 points review in Wine Review Online. That's a very, very high score for a wine at this price point. Hess 19 Block has been performing pretty well at R&R. We're sold out now of the 2010 vintage, and we're on to the 2011 vintage, which is in stock and on open sale. In the month of March, we have a new offer on Hess Collection Chardonnay half bottles. We've got a 1 and a 2 case price. These are 12-pack goods. The 2 case price gets the bottle price down to $6.91 wrap-up. It's the equivalent of buying 20 bottles and getting 4 bottles free. This makes a terrific premium by the glass and also very good for half-bottle service. We continue with the Hess Collection Chardonnay and Alobi Cabernet combo pack, which gives you 6 bottles of each type included in a case that is the equivalent in value of getting 1 bottle of Hess Collection Chardonnay free. Artisan 2012 is in stock and shipping, and we also are packing that into 13 packs in which you get 1 bottle free. You end up getting the wine for a wrap-up of $10.24 if you average out the case price over the 13-pack. Glencarlou has been performing extremely well in New Jersey. The 2010 Grand Classique got 90 points in the Wine Spectator. It's in stock, and it's selling very, very well. Amelia 2012, the red blend, Malbec-based red blend, high-altitude wine from Hess, is also performing very well. Prior vintages got very good scores. I have yet to see a score on the current vintage. The rip in place is $24 on 1 case. And we have Amelia White, which is a Tarantes-based blend, sister wine to Amelia Red in the 2012 vintage at $6.99 with no rip. That's a very, very low price for such a high-class wine. The prior wine received a big award in Decanter magazine where it won an award, international trophy for best of show. And there were only 28 wines from around the world that got this recognition from among a field of 14,000 different wines that competed. This is a blend of 85% Tarantes and 15% Riesling from very, very high elevation vineyards where they get very intense sunlight during the day and very cool or even cold nights, which lead to excellent fruit and very high acids. And from the highest vineyards in the world, Bodega Colomé continues to do well here. The Bodega Colomé Malbec that we have in stock is well scored and has gotten a great score year after year after year. The current vintage, 90 points from Robert Parker's Wine Advocate. We have a RIP of $90 on 2 cases, which is $7.50 a bottle, worth 30% in RIP profit dollars. And the Bodega Colomé 2013 Torrontés received 89 points from the Wine Advocate. Now, as a reminder, Daniel Hartenstein is no longer with Hess. Our area manager is also a regional VP with Hess. His name is Josh Ratner, and he lives and works in New Jersey. So while he's a regional VP, he is acting as New Jersey State Manager. It's the first time I can remember that we've had a person from Hess living in New Jersey. They usually live in other states. So take full advantage of that. You can get his phone numbers from the monthly wine department notes. Thank you for listening to the Hess section of the March wine department notes.